Hello, Sunshines. I do have some book ballad back here that we're going to open up in a second video. But I have two packages from my parents, so let's unbox them. Also, y'all, when I tell you that all my friends have taken such good care of myself and my husband since our Jax has passed away, Marianne, thank you. So beautiful. Okay, now if you didn't know, my dad is Santa Claus and my mom is Mrs. Claus. And they are two of the most amazing human beings ever. Now remember, my word this year is woozy. So my mom said she packed some things along those lines. She also packed things for my husband and my mother-in-law, such as, oh yeah, William's gonna love these. They're like barbecue bowls. Those are awesome. I'm so excited for this. So my mom was an LVN for an OBGYN, and my dad was a carpenter. And check this out, y'all. It says library lid, and it's also like on a puzzle piece. Oh, I love that so much. Some motivational posters. It's a good day to read a book, and you belong here. Love it. Another one of my dad's. Oh, it's just one box. Look at this. How beautiful is that? Oh my gosh. So talented. And this box is also some Care Bear fabric. And look at this fun little garland. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love it. So there's box one. There's two boxes, y'all. Ooh. Y'all, I am going to invest in an actual like box cutter. That's my goal for this year. My parents used to also own the Buffalo Bookstore in my hometown. Oh, we got some snacky snacks. Always love getting those. I believe banner. Scooby snacks. These are so good. Oh my gosh. A huge book of Mad Libs. This is awesome. More snacks. I do have a candy jar in my in my library. A board book wherever you go. Thank you, teacher. There's like this whole like little look at these bins. Those are awesome. Hello, sunshine. some more fun fabric. And here there's all sorts of little bag snatcher, a bumblebee. If you didn't know, these are my favorite candies, y'all. I love Necco wafers. They're my favorite. And Rice Krispie treats. Yum! The thing is, not all these are for me. Some I had to ship. A ceramic tree that's fall themed. What? I also love ceramic trees. That's so cute. Anyway, I am super lucky to have so many people surround me, and I'm super lucky to have the most amazing parents. On that note, my next video is going to be opening up some boxes from books. Anyway, see you guys soon.